Today's topic: Gignard reagent and reactions. The organomagnesium halides are known as Gignard reagents. These are extremely important reagents. The Gignard reagent is represented as RMgX, where R is alkyl, aryl, alkenyl, allyl groups and X is Cl, Br or I. The Gignard reagents are prepared by the action of activated magnesium on alkyl halide. In suitable solvent like diethyl ether C2H5O or tetrahydrofuran THF in anhydrous conditions. According equation, alkyl halide on reaction with magnesium in the presence of dry ether convert to RMgX. The order of reactivity of alkyl halides with magnesium metal is RCl less than RBr and RBr less than Ri. Alkyl fluorides are seldom used due to much less reactivity. Reactions of Gignard reagents. The Gignard reagents are highly basic and can react with protic compounds like water, acid, alcohols, 1-alkynes, etc. by giving corresponding hydrocarbons. In the Gignard reagent, R is negatively charged. It works as a strong base. It can take H positive from water and convert to R single bond H, that is a hydrocarbon. Gignard reagent on reaction with water, ammonia, HCl, RNH2, R2NH, alcohol, thiol, carboxylic acid, other terminal alkynes convert to hydrocarbon because these compounds provide H positive to the R negative of Gignard reagent, which work as a strong base. Nucleophilic addition reaction of Gignard reagent RMgX. Gignard reagent RMgX shows addition reaction with aldehydes, ketones, dry ice and nitrile. The addition of Gignard reagent to formaldehyde followed hydrolysis gives primary alcohols. The Gignard reagent with aldehyde other than formaldehyde gives secondary alcohols. The addition of Gignard reagent to ketones furnish tertiary alcohols. The Gignard reagent reacts with dry ice carbon dioxide to give carboxylic acids. The addition of Gignard reagent on nitrile furnish ketones. According equation, alkyl or aryl halide on reaction with magnesium convert to RMgX Gignard reagent. Gignard reagent on reaction with carbonyl compound like aldehyde or ketones followed hydrolysis convert to alcohols. R1 and R2 may be hydrogens or alkyl groups. In below table, we can see formaldehyde work as electrophile and Gignard reagent work as a nucleophile. Formaldehyde on reaction with Gignard reagent convert to primary alcohol Aldehyde other than formaldehyde convert to secondary alcohol. Ketones convert to tertiary alcohol. Dry ice carbon dioxide convert to carboxylic acid, and nitrile on reaction with Grignard reagent convert to ketones. Again we can see alkyl bromide on reaction with magnesium gives Grignard reagent. In Grignard reagent, RCH2 negative work as a strong base and nucleophile. During the addition of Grignard reagent to aldehyde or ketones, carbonyl carbon work as a electrophile, and alkyl part of Grignard reagent or alkyl lithium work as a nucleophile. We can see in this equation how Grignard reagent acts on carbonyl compound, produce a intermediate which on hydrolysis convert to alcohol. Here R2 and R3 may be hydrogen or alkyl group. Mechanism. In this mechanism, 2 mole of Grignard reagent on reaction with carbonyl compound convert to a transition state. This transition state convert to alkoxy magnesium bromide. Alkoxy magnesium bromide on acidic hydrolysis convert to alcohol. R1 and R2 may be hydrogen, alkyl or aryl group. If R1, R2 both are hydrogen, then product is primary alcohol. If R1 is hydrogen and R2 is alkyl, then product is secondary alcohol. If R1, R2 both are alkyl groups, then product is ketone. In first example, ketone reacts with Grignard reagent and carbon A of ketone combine with carbon B of Grignard reagent, produce alkoxy magnesium bromide, which on hydrolysis convert to tertiary alcohol. Similarly, carbon A of aldehyde combine with carbon B of Grignard reagent and convert to alkoxy magnesium chloride, which on acidic hydrolysis convert to secondary alcohol. Remember, primary alcohol is obtained by formaldehyde, secondary alcohol is obtained by other aldehyde, and tertiary alcohol is obtained by ketone when they react with Grignard reagent. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. RMGS gives nucleophilic substitution with ester, acid halide, alkyl halide and epoxide because they have leaving group. When ester reacts with 2 mole of Grignard reagent, then final product is alcohol. In first case, ester on nucleophilic substitution convert to carbonyl compound, and carbonyl compound on nucleophilic addition convert to alcohol. This is the reaction between Grignard reagent and epoxide. Negative part of Grignard reagent attacks on least hindered carbon of epoxide, and final product is alcohol. Remember, aldehydes and ketones are more reactive than ester with RMGX. When one equivalent of Grignard reagent treated with ketonic ester, then Grignard reagent selectively reacts with ketonic group because ketonic group is more reactive than ester. It is a complete review of formation of Grignard reagent and their reactions. Alkyl halide on reaction with magnesium convert to Grignard reagent. It can be seen by red arrow. Grignard reagent on reaction with methanol convert to primary alcohol. Grignard reagent on reaction with higher aldehyde convert to secondary alcohol. Grignard reagent on reaction with ketone convert to tertiary alcohol. Grignard reagent on reaction with alkyl nitrile convert to ketone. Grignard reagent on reaction with water convert to hydrocarbon. Grignard reagent on reaction with epoxide convert to alcohol. Grignard reagent on reaction with dry CO2 convert to carboxylic acid. Grignard reagent on reaction with ester convert to tertiary alcohol. Grignard reagent on reaction with acid anhydride convert to tertiary alcohol. Grignard reagent on alkyl formate ester convert to secondary alcohol. Remember, bromobenzene on reaction with magnesium in the presence of dry ether convert to phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl magnesium bromide on reaction with water convert to benzene, and phenyl magnesium bromide on reaction with bromobenzene convert to diphenyl. Second reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction of Grignard reagent. Reaction of epoxide with Grignard reagent RMGX. In this reaction, the pair of electrons in the carbon-magnesium bond attack the least hindered carbon of the epoxide, forming a new carbon-carbon bond and breaking carbon-oxygen bond. A proton source then added, forming O single bond H. Thanks a lot.